In this video, we will demonstrate how to begin incorporating machining parameters into our library. We will use the parameters from SGS's Z-Carb series of end mills as a reference. To kick off this example, we will add the material alloy steel, specifically for a quarter diameter cutter, along with its corresponding parameters. Start by opening the Edit Machining Parameters data library. We will leave the cut method unchanged. Within the Tool Material section, we will input the new Z-Carb cutter series. For part material, we will select alloy steel. And in the description field, we will specify the applicable materials for our reference. Keep in mind that the parameters provided by the library depend on the tool material, cut method, part material selections, and the dimensions of our tool. The machining parameters for the quarter cutter will be added based on the selected inputs. For the length, we will set it to 3 times the diameter, while slightly reducing the cut depth and step over as a precaution. We will then proceed to add the remaining parameters. The feed rate percentage will remain unchanged. Next, we will extract the added cutting parameters. Ensure the same inputs are selected, alloy steel as the part material. And we will choose a quarter cutter with identical geometry to the one we just added. ensuring the tool material is Z-Carb. Finally, we will select the cut method as roughing. To extract the parameters, simply click on Set Machining Data. It is important to verify that the extracted parameters align with those in the added library. You can continue adding machining parameters for various cutter sizes and different materials as needed.